Hello ladies and gents, today we'll have a look at the Samsung n145, looking at replacing this keyboard. As you can see, keys are missing, so yeah, just going to need to replace the whole unit instead of single keys. First thing you always do is you make sure the battery's removed. You don't want to be opening things and changing things whilst, you know, there could be some power. So you remove the battery, these two slidey clips, slide them away from you, and the battery just slots out. Okay, so we're just going to need to remove that keyboard by these screws at the back. Here's my screwdriver. So we're going to unscrew 3 screws. There's one. There, it's the second one, and there's also the third one in the middle down here. Simple as that. So here we go. Just screw these screws here. 1, 2. Just empty these screws out. So 3 screws. So the other side. Should be able to just lift this keyboard off after this. Just turn it the other way around. Yeah. There we go. Got foothold. Just pry that away from the actual laptop. Don't yank it out. So obviously you've got the ribbon cable holding it onto the actual laptop, onto the notebook. So make sure you gently pull it out and just flip it over. There you can see the hard drive, and here's the clip that secures the cable to the laptop. There's a black strip on that clip there. Make sure you've got some nails or spudger tool. If you've got a spudger tool, use that to flip that black strip upwards. My nails aren't that pronounced. So flip that strip upwards, and that should release the cable, as you can see. Blue strip slides in, slides out. Okay, let's get our new keyboard. Just clean that off a bit. There's a bit of dust and debris in there. It's been used. Now, where's that keyboard? Here we go. As you can see, brand spanking new. Been touched. So you get the blue strip, slot it into the compartment there, make sure it fits perfectly, and flick that black folding lock down. Notch the keyboard in, pat it down. Obviously, it won't go all the way down because it hasn't been screwed back together yet. There's no notches on the top there, just notches on the bottom towards the touchpad. Just make sure it fits. Get 3 screws, place them back in their holes. 1, 2, and 3. Screw them back. Now what you'll need to do is, because these keyboards are very fragile and paper thin, you just need to press the keyboard against the screw so the screw actually catches onto the actual screw hole of the keyboard. Do it on all sides, pressing the keyboard down whilst you screw in. 1, 2, 3. And there you have it. Keyboard is has been replaced. All that in under 10 minutes. Get your battery, slide it back, and you're all done. Go. Thank you for watching.